Whataburger restaurants are known for their unmatched quality and taste of their honey butter. So today I am going to recreate the same magnum opus of Whataburger restaurant. Hey folks, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to teach you how to make honey butter at home with very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This honey butter recipe takes no time to make and you need few ingredients for that. We have honey, flaky salt and some unsalted butter. And that's it. So take a clean bowl and add softened butter and whip it properly with the help of spoon. Then add honey and flaky salt to it and mix it like a pro. Well, our honey butter is ready. Now you can freeze it and use it like a spread or on pancakes. That's all for today. See you in the next video.